Hey my love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody has been doing good and been blessed. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my facial routine and show you all the little products that I use to keep a nice clear face. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video or whatever. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first product I'm going to share with you guys, we're going to start with cleansers first. So the first cleanser I'm going to share with you guys is this St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Facial Scrub. This right here, get you some. Get you some. Even if it ain't St. Ives, you should have a facial scrub in your routine to get all that dead skin off, open them pores up, just cleanse your face. Get you a facial scrub. I like the St. Ives. My sister actually bought me this St. Ives, and I've been hooked on it ever since. And I love it. It smells good. It leaves your face feeling refreshed and just I love it. So yeah, I've been on this ever since. I love this stuff right here. It has like these little bursts of beads that just bust on your face once you start relaxing it in or whatever. It feels really, really good. I love this stuff. Get you some facial scrub. Okay, so that's the first thing I use. The second thing I use, I love it. I get it from the dollar store. I love this shit. This shit right here. Like, I do my facial scrubs. I don't do a facial scrub every day. I do this probably like once a week. A good, just a good deep scrub. Get down in the pores, just get all that dirt and dead skin. I do this once a week. I don't do this every day. This right here, I use this every day. This Clean and Clear. I love this shit, okay? This shit right here, nigga, I'm sorry. This shit right here is the truth, okay? This I use on the daily. Like, when you get up, I don't even wash, most people wash their face in the morning with a washcloth. I don't do that because towels, they carry a lot of bacteria and all of that. Get you some of this. This right here is so good. It's all free. And I love it. It's by Johnson & Johnson, and it's the Clean and Clear, and I love it. It has these beads inside of it, and when you rubbing them in your face, they just busted, and it's more soap, and it lathers up so good, and it smells so good. It just leaves your face so clean, feeling so clean, and it keeps the acne away. It keeps the acne away. I do this in the morning when I wake up and before I go to bed at night. When I wash my makeup off, I use this. Get you some of this. You won't regret it. This shit was like $7 at the dollar store. Get you some of this. Okay? Get you some of this. Okay. So that's another cleanser that I use. I use this every day. Now this right here that I'm finna show y'all, this is the GOAT, okay? It's old school, but baby, this is the motherfucking GOAT when it comes to cleansers. Makeup removers, cleansers, all of that. This is the motherfucking GOAT, okay? Noxzema. Get you some Noxzema. Every female should have some of this in their cabinet. Period. Okay? Period. Noxzema is the motherfucking GOAT to facial cleansers. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Like, Noxzema is the damn GOAT, sis. Get you some of this. I love Noxzema. Like, I don't use this every day. I kind of, since I have so much that I use, I switch them out. But I love Noxzema. This shit right here leaves your face feeling cleaner than clean, okay? Gets all that makeup off, gets down deep in the pores. It's good for acne, keep the acne away. It's good. Like if a bump pops up on my face because it's hot or whatever, because I have oily skin too, so I might get a bump here and there. But if a bump pop up on my face, I clean my face with this. I mean, I drown my shit. I drown my shit in Noxzema and clean it real good, and in the morning that damn bump be gone. Okay. But this is how it looks on the inside. It's a cream consistency. And, y'all. And the smell, it smells medicated. For the girls who've used this, you know what I'm talking about. But for the girls who don't know nothing about it, it smells medicated. And it just leaves your skin feeling refreshed, clean, and just, oh my God. Like, for real. Yeah. Get you some Noxzema. Get you some. The classic clean. Get you some, okay? Now they have Noxzema that came up in the world, okay? Because at first these just come in this little bitty thing, not even like this. This is a new package now. But even if you don't want to get your hands all messy with the cream, they have the little cleansing pads where you don't even have to buy this. You can just get the pads and just woo 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 woo. But I like this because this has a stronger effect. Cause I just drown my face in this shit and wash it off, and it makes my skin feel so good. Get you some. So that's all far as my cleansers that I use. The Noxzema, the Clean and Clear, right? Yeah. And then my St. Ives. Boom. Them the only 3 cleansers I use, and it works for me. Okay? It keeps me with a clear skin. Keep the damn acne away. That's what I use. And to do that, like I told you guys, I don't use no towel to wash my face because I used to, but towels, it holds too much bacteria. So I don't use towels no more. I clean my face with my spin brush. Comes with the little thing, but I use my spin brush. Once I lather my face up how I want it with the water, I put some of this on my spin brush and just let the spin brush do the work. Let it do the work. I mean, and it gets in there. When I say get in there, it get in there. Same with the facial scrub. You know, when I do my facial scrub, I do get in there with my hands first, but then I use my spin brush. But if you don't have a spin brush, get you a spin brush. Get you a spin brush. I use a spin brush to clean my face, and I use baby wipes. Scentless baby wipes. Get the kind that don't have no scent or nothing in there. I use baby wipes or makeup remover pads. But get you a spin brush to clean your face. They real cheap. I got this one from Ross, and it came with this and different little brushes too, and it was like $10. But you can get these anywhere. You can get them off eBay, Amazon, anywhere. Get you a spin brush. Okay. So let's get into moisturizers. When it comes to moisturizers, it's very simple for me. I don't do all that extra shit everybody else do. It's very simple for me. Okay. I use vitamin E. Get you some vitamin E oil for your face. Baby girl, you will thank me. Get you some vitamin E. Okay? I don't care what brand it is. Get you some vitamin E. Okay? I love the vitamin E pills. Walmart has these vitamin E pills that are really big, about this big, and you can bust them open and put them on your face. I love those, but I don't have those on hand all the time. So when I don't, I use this kind, and I got this from the dollar store. But I love vitamin E oil. I put this on sometimes after I clean my face at night. I put this on and I just go to sleep with this on my face, and it keeps my skin moisturized. So yeah, get you some vitamin E. I don't put lotion and shit on my face because, believe it or not, when you put lotions like on your face, especially scented lotion, sometimes, you know, people just throw lotion on their face, you know, not even thinking about, you know, what the side effects of it could be. But putting lotion, and especially scented lotion, Bath and Body Works lotion and shit on your face, it can break your face out. Some of that shit is too strong for your face. So I never put lotion on my face. I do my vitamin E oil at night before I go to bed. This is what I do when I clean my face at night. Put this on, sleep in it, boom, I'm good all night. Now during the day, when I'm on my way to work, I'm getting up in the morning, I done, clean my face with my clean and clear. I done scrub with my brush or whatever. My moisturizer that I wear, because I don't wear lotion and shit on my face, get you some Pond's. Baby girl, this shit old too, but it's the motherfucking GOAT to cleansers. Get you some Pond's. Get you some Pond's. To me, out of all the shit that I've ever tried, for as moisturizers and stuff, this is the best. This shit keep my face moisturized all day. And even when because I don't wear makeup every day. Like, I have a beat face now, and this is just a regular beat. This ain't even no dramatic ass beat, but when I go to work, I don't wear heavy makeup. Sometimes I don't wear any at all. So this keeps my face moisturized all day. And everybody always asks me, what you got on your face? It's so soft, it looks so smooth, it looks so shiny, it looks so good, just healthy. What do you have on what do you wear? Pond's. This shit right here is so good, and it's for dry skin. And I don't have dry skin, I have oily skin, but it keeps my skin smooth, moisturized all day, and it just, you just need a little goes a long way. This little thing has lasted me like 3 months, because you don't need that much, but it's just a white cream, and it has it kind of has like a dovey smell to me, but it smells good. Yeah, get you some Pond's. And they have Pond's have different creams for like different stuff, like acne. They have the makeup remover for Pond's that's really, really good, but I really don't buy that, because if I just need to take my makeup off, I just put some Noxzema all over my face and rinse it with some hot water, cold water, and my makeup is off my face. So hit it with a baby wipe. So I really don't buy this makeup remover, but they have a makeup remover that is fucking awesome. Okay, before as a moisturizer, sis, get you some of this. Get you some of this. You can get this from the dollar store. This thing like this was like $5 at Family Dollar. But I'm gonna tell you now, when you go to the dollar store, like, it's hard to find them, because sometimes they be just sold out. So you might have to go to Walgreens or CVS or whatever your local drugstore is, but they should have it. But get you some Pond's. This is the GOAT. To me, this is the motherfucking GOAT to facial cleansers. This right here and this right here for facial cleansers and for facial moisturizers. Pond's and facial cleansers, Noxzema. And men, you guys can use this too. This is just not a woman thing. This is for your skin, for healthy skin, to keep your skin moisturized, keep them pimples away, and all of that. Men, you guys can use it too. You can use it too. It's just not for the women. So hey, go get you some Noxzema and go get you some Pond's. Go get you some Pond's for your face. You'll thank me. You'll thank me later. Trust me, you will. So yeah, that's all for today. That's all I have for you guys. I just want to come to you guys and show you guys my facial routine. Well, not my routine, but the products that I use on my face on the daily. And those things, I've been using all these products for years, and they work for me. They work for me. There's one more product that I did want to show you guys. Now I'm thinking about it, that I wanted to show you guys that I use that helps with my dark spots, because since I've gained a little bit of weight, I can tell that, I'm getting kind of like some dark spots in some areas, like my neck and maybe like right here. I use this Ambi. It's a fading cream, and it works really, really good. I've been using that, and I can tell that, some spots are lightening up, and it works really, really good. It's the Ambi fading cream. It works really, really good. That's another little product that I put on my face that I forgot to bring in the video. But yeah, go get you some of that too if you're having problems with dark marks. And it's not just for your face, it's for under your arms. It's like any place where you find yourself getting a little dark. Your elbows, your knees. Sometimes our elbows tend to get dark. You can put some on your elbows, under your arms, your kneecaps, or whatever, between your legs. Because wherever you feel like you're getting dark, it's a fading cream. So get you some of that Ambi fading cream. It's really, really good, you guys. So yeah, that's all for today, you guys. I just want to come to you guys and show you what I use or whatever. I'm so thirsty. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what I use or whatever. But yeah, I'll be looking for ideas, you guys. So if you guys want to see anything else, if you're interested in anything about these products that I showed you, if you have any questions about any of these products that I showed you, let me know in the comments. I'm very active when it comes to my comments, and I will get back with you. Believe me, I will get back with you, okay? So yeah, that's it, you guys. I ain't gonna just keep rambling, because I can ramble all goddamn day, okay? All day. Y'all be like, bitch, shut the fuck up and end the video. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna end the video, okay? Hope you guys have a blessed day. I love you so much. I thank you so much for all your love and support. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. And yeah, until next time, love you guys. Stay blessed. Peace.